Today, we reveal one of the most unusual breakthroughs in modern genetics, the successful fusion of mouse DNA with the DNA of an elephant. This cross-species creation, carefully engineered in a controlled environment, has given rise to a living hybrid organism unlike anything seen on Earth. For decades, geneticists believed that merging two species with such enormous size and evolutionary differences would be impossible. But through a combination of advanced genome editing, selective embryonic development, and structural DNA stabilization, researchers have finally overcome those barriers. The result is what scientists are calling Project Loxomys, the first viable organism containing synchronized gene expressions from both species. And no, it does not have the size of an elephant with the speed of a mouse. Everyone in the lab agreed that would be pure chaos. So what does the hybrid actually look like? Its size stabilizes at around 30 to 35 centimeters in length, roughly the size of a small house cat. The scaling is deliberate. Elephant DNA is powerful, but without proper suppression, the creature wouldn't survive its own growth. The body shape combines the compact agility of a mouse with the musculature of a miniature elephant. It has a small but fully functional trunk, about 10 centimeters long, capable of delicate manipulation and surprisingly strong airflow. Its ears resemble tiny elephant flaps, helping regulate heat, while the rest of the body is covered in short, dense fur.
The hybrid's legs are thick and sturdy, and its tail is long with a tuft at the end, like a mouse tail redesigned for balance. Some researchers describe it as adorably intimidating, which is scientists speak for, we don't really know what emotion we're feeling. Behavior is where the hybrid becomes truly remarkable. Elephants are known for emotional depth, memory, and social intelligence. Mice rely on rapid decision-making, environmental awareness, and exceptional hearing. Project Loxomys displays a combination of both. It recognizes individuals after a single interaction. It communicates through soft, rumbling vibrations and high-frequency squeaks. It forms small social bonds with caretakers. And it can solve simple puzzles designed for primates. The only problem? It tends to store food using its trunk and forget where it put it 5 minutes later. Genius is complicated. Despite this, the creature navigates its environment with precision, using its trunk to test surfaces and its whiskers to detect airflow changes.
Researchers constructed a specialized biome to study the hybrid's living patterns. It prefers moderately warm environments and builds nests from grass, leaves, or anything soft it can carry. While mostly herbivorous, it requires a nutrient-rich diet to support the metabolic demands inherited from both species. It moves quietly, but when threatened, it adopts a defensive stance characteristic of elephants, head lowered, trunk raised. Fortunately, its size makes it more symbolic than dangerous. Project Loxomys forces us to rethink the limits of synthetic biology. It demonstrates that with careful engineering, two distant species can coexist within a single functioning genome. But it also raises profound ethical questions about where the line should be drawn. As we continue to explore the frontier of genetic engineering, one thing is certain. The future of biology is far stranger and far more extraordinary than we ever imagined. Thank you for listening. If you want more deep dive explorations into cutting-edge science, subscribe and join us next time.